There is no so-called self-realization without knowing yourself. What is this? How it works? Because self-realization is not abstract idea, it is very certain process, very accurate, very precise, very intelligent. Intelligent means not thinking but awareness, ability to witness, to be fully conscious, means no automatic robot-like action. For that you need to know topography of this being, human being, which is literal model, micro model of universe, literally. The all elements and principles which are existing in macro universe present in this micro universe, all, not in actual but in potential state. So the game of life, your aim, your duty to realize this potentiality. So now we will start excurse, this journey through different plans of your reality, of your nature, of your micro universe, which is, again I repeat, is the literal model of this global, this macro universe. This is the key principle of tantric yoga. By realizing yourself, you're realizing the secret of whole universe, because it is not different. You made by same matrix. It doesn't mean that the universe has the same outlook. No, but the internal essential principles are absolutely same. The first, you should understand the stages of circle of life which is working within your personal existence. You should understand the laws of involution and evolution, descending and ascending process. Today, suppose Sunday, holiday, no duty, no job, no alarm clock and so on, but you woke up. Why? No any need, even no need to go to toilet. Why you woke up? What is the reason for this sudden change of state of your being? From deep sleep without dream, or suppose you was in a dream space and now you woke up. Why? Because unconsciously you're following the stages, principles of cosmic life. The universe itself has all these stages. Deep sleep without dreaming, with no even space, no existence. It is hard to imagine, because you're living only basically in one dimension, objective reality, which is completely based on such phenomena and such elements as space and time. But that state is without space and time. Can you imagine that there was no, suppose 15 billion years ago this universe woke up suddenly in its Sunday without alarm clock. What was this After deep sleep, where was no any action, no any galaxies, no this drama of cosmic life. You following the same stages. You woke up. What is the power which waking you up? It's not, you cannot manipulate this. Now, you can manipulate with alarm clock and so on. This make you neurotic because you are not following natural impulses, the natural programs. You become a victim of artificial, made by conditioned, not wise minds of human beings. So the first is impulse to be. You don't know why, you just woke up. There is no yet idea, not yet the goal, what you will do. Second comes certain pattern, certain idea, what to do. And third stage will be action according to this mental pattern, this mental scenario, what to do. The children living like this, their motivations are not yet from this robot-like society. They very much close to nature and God, and they unconsciously following these principles. And they living almost in eternity. They have no these neurotical ideas about past, future and so on. They had no any spasmic worries about past and future. So they living only in reality, means present. Life is a moment of present, nothing else. It's artificial mental construction about past, future and so on. So they follow, they playing, they create the games and so on. From where? What is the source of that? Nobody teach them. It manifests subconsciously. They follow their real parents, the universe, the divine couple of spirit, universal cosmic consciousness and energy and matter, father and mother. They repeat the same patterns, the same game. It is just entertainment. Like the children, they are very close to reality, to the truth. They have no artificial worries. They just enjoy the process of existence. And they start making, almost like spider from himself, they start making stories. They can use some materials like sand and so on. They create some forms. They animating these forms, giving them story, character and so on and so on, and it started. It started drama or comedy of life. They're following the patterns of macro universe. So the first is this impulse to be. This is very powerful concentrated energy which has not yet elements. There is not yet the gross elements, even not yet psychic elements, mental elements. So this power of will, technically called Ichcha Shakti, to create is like waves, cause and effect. Effect of this cause, power of will, is appearance of power of knowledge, what to do. Jnana Shakti. And the effect of this Jnana Shakti is Kriya Shakti, action. So the universe started. Within the moments, from nothingness, exploded the just raw energy. which start creating space and time simultaneously. Space and time already has a gender. Time is masculine and space is feminine. And their relations create the rest